Quick Settings is a core Android feature, and this is something every Android user should familiarize themselves with. It's basically a shortcut hub to all the key settings on your tablet, allowing you to quickly access settings without having to dig deep into menus. By default, you'll bring up the quick settings by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. You'll see toggles and sliders for all the important functions on your tablet. There's two primary ways you can use your quick settings. You can have them all living in a dedicated panel like you see on my tablet here. Or you can combine your quick settings with your notifications, which is when you'll see a few of these buttons together with your recent notifications all in the same view. Here, I can choose between having my quick settings separate from notifications or use the Together option, which combines the two. Now, when I save my changes and go back to bring up quick settings again, I can actually swipe down from anywhere on the top of my display to bring up the combined panel that shows both my settings and notifications. While I'm in this view, I can then swipe down again to switch from the combined view to the full list of my quick settings. So you can have them set to the combined layout and still be able to get to the full quick settings view if you want to. Another way to get to the full list of settings is to swipe down with 2 fingers instead of 1. This will skip the combined view and go straight back to your quick settings with no notifications included. Personally, I like to keep my panels separate. That way I can access the full list of settings when I swipe down from the right side of my screen. And the full list of notifications will still be available whenever I swipe down from the left or center of my display. Within the quick settings, there's a few hidden features here as well. Most of the toggles are simple. You'll tap Wi-Fi, for example, to turn it on and off, pretty basic. But a lot of them have a secondary function if you tap and hold the button. I can tap and hold the Bluetooth button, for example, and it'll open up a Bluetooth menu showing all my current connections and nearby devices that are available to connect. The Wi-Fi toggle does the same thing. Long press shows all available networks, so you can switch them right within the quick settings. You can expand the buttons in the middle to reveal more controls, and if you tap the pencil icon up top, you can edit and rearrange everything. I can move the sections around, organizing them to my preferred order. These buttons here I can also edit. I can remove the ones that I don't want included in here, and on the bottom of my screen, I'll see a list of available buttons in case there's something I want to add in. And of course, within the panel itself, I can tap, hold, and drag these to rearrange them. The sliders for brightness and volume aren't just sliders. You can tap the icon next to them, and the half-moon icon, for example, will toggle dark mode on and off. The volume icon is a quick way to mute your tablet with a single tap. And on devices that have vibration built in, the button cycles between vibrate, mute, and sound on. The buttons in the middle have a secondary function as well. If you tap and hold any of these, it'll take you to the settings for that specific control, which usually gives you more options related to each feature. So that's basically the quick settings in a nutshell. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you click that like button if this helped you. And while you're at it, subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next video.